Pool owners, do you know that your kids are safe? Do you know when something is in your pool? Do you know when something accidentally falls in your pool? What can you do to manage the knowledge of this? How can you just know any and every time something goes in your pool? Did you hear that splash? What could that be? How do you know if your child or your pet has accidentally fallen into the pool? Well, we have the answer. This is Chlorvac. This is your personal alarm for your swimming pool. You will know any and everything that enters your pool, and we will walk you through how to get started, setting it up, how to manage it, and just why it works so well and why you need it. This is what it looks like. It's small and subtle and can stay in your pool at all times, so you will always know what's going on. This easy little disc will float in your pool and be your personal safety net. Let me show you how it works. Be sure to watch this video to the end for a graphic on all the benefits all in one place that you can screenshot, as well as special bonus feature that you won't want to live without. This product was provided for me for my honest opinion. In securing your backyard, Oasis has never been easier or more reliable than with this smart pool alarm. It's designed specifically for both in-ground and above-ground pools, and the safety device offers unparalleled peace of mind for families, pet owners, and property managers alike. It goes through all of the steps here on the box, as well as a QR code that you can download easily and manage from the app. Now, drowning remains a leading hazard for young children, which makes a dependable water detection system an absolute necessity rather than a luxury. This advanced system boasts an expansive coverage area capable of monitoring pools 20 by 40 feet, ensuring that every square inch of your swimming area is safely, constantly protected against accidental entry. Now, one of the standout features of this device is its adjustable sensitivity settings. Traditional pool alarms are notoriously prone for frustrating false alarms, triggering unnecessary panic and triggered by heavy winds, falling debris, or passing birds. This here, it can be operated from an app or from this monitoring device, which I find really helpful if you don't want to have to use your phone. Now, it has power buttons, Wi-Fi buttons, indicator displays, pairing buttons, and it also has a swim mode button, a do not disturb mode button, and a resume monitoring button, making it easy to flip through as you're actually using your pool and you don't want to trigger false alarms. It can be mounted, or this display actually has a little kickback that makes it sit up like a desktop. It can be used on all pool shapes and is very high rated by customers. Now, you simply put in some AA batteries in this little top spinning disc here. By allowing you to fine-tune the sensor thresholds, this smart unit ensures that you only receive alerts when it truly matters, such as when a child, a dog, or cat, or even a disturbance is detected. The system immediately triggers a piercing sound of 85 decibel plus that can easily be heard throughout your home and yard, giving you critical seconds to retract and prevent tragedy. You see, it's also on a long stringer here that can be adjusted, and you can keep it in a simple area or let it travel freely. The integrated smart app brings your pool safety into the modern era. You will receive instant push notifications directly to your phone. We highly recommend this. Please like and follow us for more.